Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I do some YouTube stuff and some Uber and stuff. And yeah, we're going to talk about, I'm looking for hustlers. Are you a hustler? Are you a guy or a girl that gets up in the mornings and go out and see how you can make an extra buck? Always trying to figure things out, get ahead. If you're one of those kind of people, now I'm going to tell you, now I'm going to talk again about it today. That's the Uber rental. All right. That's the one thing that helps me, I'm sure of, go out and hustle. I don't have to worry about a whole lot. And I've talked about this in videos before. So if you're new here, hang on with me today. Stay to the end of the video because I want to talk about some stuff that you may be interested in. That comment. That's the reason I asked for that, because I get comments on my videos where I can tell they didn't watch to the end of the video, because sometimes I'm going to start with something and we're going to finish with it, okay? So hang on. Buy Daddy-O a cup of coffee if you like. If you get anything interesting out of this, buy Daddy-O a cup of coffee down below. You can subscribe, ring the bell, do all that kind of stuff. Thumbs up. Appreciate you guys. Or not, just come back and visit sometimes. All right, here we go. By renting a vehicle, the way I do it is a hustle. And let us get this up front too. Not everyone can do what I do. It's your market. Your market is your big holdback on a lot of people from not being able to approach Uber the way I approach. I do it different, and I've explained that. And I'm trying not to get into all of that today. I got other videos on how I do it. But the benefits for doing the rental to me is, the biggie is I don't have to worry about a whole lot. This morning when I cranked up my vehicle, it showed down here, oil change coming up. All right? All I did was pick up the phone before I ever did anything else and drove away. When I saw that, when I started up this morning, I called over to my peeps. I do Tire Kingdom and Mavis, and scheduled. They're getting it approved. I'm waiting on phone call now to come over and do the oil change. It's taken care of. So if you're a hustler and you're out here trying to make the extra buck, try to make this as easy as you can for you. If you're a go-getter, you're worrying about making the buck. Don't worry about all the other stuff that comes along with the rental. That's the freedom that you get with that. You get the unlimited miles, the roadside assistance, all that kind of stuff I've explained in other videos before. So if you're a hustler, it makes it easier. And I keep on doing that on the end because I want to make sure you understand it's just not easy. It's easier to do this and get out and go make a buck. You don't have to worry about all the other stuff that a lot of drivers that are just doing it casually, being casual Uber drivers, rideshare drivers, you're not having to worry about some of the things that they have to worry about. It makes your hustle easier, all right? Because I do little things, and this is not that video. I do little things to make my hustle easier. So if you're one of those people that just are a go-getter, you want to go out and you want to make as much as you can every day, and put out those runs and do Uber the way you'd really like to do it, but you may have a vehicle that's holding you back, that's slowing you down on what you're wanting to do with your Uber. And I'll say it real quick, this is your storefront. That's the way I treat mine. I've said it in a lot of other videos. But go out and hustle, and the rental makes it so much easier. You can go out and do the extras. You can go out and work it harder than you would anytime with your personal vehicle. A lot of people, and I did it in the beginning when I started out with Uber, I jumped out of my personal vehicle and I just would go. And then maintenance started coming into the issue. And that was the real crimper, and it started slowing things down. Now I'm having to work harder because I know that sooner or later I'm going to have to change the two front tires. I know that sooner or later that battery I've been running up there for 3 years is coming to the end of its life. I got to replace that. You have all those kind of things that kind of hold you back from pushing Uber, from going out and hustling it. And that's the big thing that made it easy for me, was once I realized I could rent and I'll say it in this video, I haven't said it yet, I've been doing this for over 3 years now. I've been consistent. In fact, I called over the other day to find out about the insurance video I was doing. I wanted to talk to my peeps over there, make sure I was putting out the right info. And when I called over, he asked me, how many miles you got? And I told him, well, right now, as of this minute, I got 74,310. He goes, oh, you got a long time left with that vehicle. Yeah, I got maybe another month or two, but a couple months. But yeah, it makes it easy, because I don't worry about all the other stuff, the insurance and all that kind of stuff. I'm not talking about that in this video. All I'm talking about is if you're a hustler, if you're a person that likes to get out and go get it, go make that money. You've got, 2 jobs, 2 things in the fire. You're hustling here. You're making money with Uber. You're making money over here with another whatever side thing you got going on. If you're one of those kind of people that are always trying to make it, the Uber thing can be made very easy for you. It can take a lot of worries so that you may be able to focus on your other hustle a little bit. That's the way I've always been. I've always been someone that's tried to do a little bit here, a little bit there, try to have more than one iron in the fire. And if you're one of those kind of people, you're the real ones that can benefit from doing the Uber rental program. And I've explained in videos before on how to find that, how to get to that. You can do it right through your app. Not get into that. I've got other videos on that kind of stuff. I'm just talking to you hustlers out there today that really want to push Uber and go out and make money. You're going out, if I'm talking to you right, if you're listening to me right, and you go out every day, every other day, whatever it is, and you're trying to make that $400, $500, $600 a week, $700 a week, $800, $1,000 a week, whatever your goal is for the week with Uber, the way I do it makes it simpler. I can hustle harder because of the way I do it. And this video was just to talk to you hustlers, because I'm getting comments. And thank you again for your comments. Now, if you've, like I said before in the beginning here, if you've never been here before, seen me before, subscribe, ring the bell, do whatever you want to do, because I'm talking about this kind of stuff every day, every couple of days, or something different I got coming up. I got another few comments I want to make videos on, but I'm not going to do those yet. And you'll see when I do the videos on those, the reason why. But anyway, hustle. Renting a vehicle to do your Ubering in, I swear to you, makes it easy. Makes it easy to keep that 5-star. Makes it easy to do a whole lot of things. Makes it easy to make extra tips. You make extra money doing it the way I do it. Just a fact. And I think I've proven it to some people. All right. So anyway, short video today. I just want to comment on the hustle, because I got a thing about someone commenting about how hard they used the word hustle. So I figured, okay, let's talk to the hustlers out there, because there's other people out there other than me that really push the Uber as far as you can. And that's what I do. Anyway, Daddy-O out for this second. It's a gorgeous day here in Florida. I may do something a little later. But anyway, subscribe, ring the bell, buy Daddy-O, cup of coffee, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon, good day. Bye.